Hi, it's Mark from Training Spark, and in this short video we're going to show you how you can add a sense of course progression using LearnDash course points. So on your platform you may have a series of courses of different levels of difficulty. So in this instance here I've got 3: beginner, intermediate and advanced. But without any control over the level of progression, a learner could access these in any order. So if I switch to a learner account here, they could easily just skip straight to the advanced course and start doing that without having participated in any of the other ones. So what we want to do is add a sense of progression so that they have to complete this one in order to then complete this one, and then they have to complete that one in order to then complete the advanced one. So we do this using something called LearnDash course points. So if I switch back to my admin account, what I'm going to do is head to the dashboard and then go to LearnDash LMS and then courses. And we're going to add to each of these courses a number of points that are given when they complete it and a number of points that are required to actually access it. So let's start with the beginner course. We'll just open this to edit. What we need to do is head over to settings, and we need to scroll down to where it says course points. And for the beginner course, we don't want any points required to access. We want people to be able to access that one straight away. However, what we'll say is that you get 50 points when you complete it. And I'm just going to click update. And now if we head back to courses, I'm going to apply the same principle to the intermediate course. So again, I'm going to head over to settings here. And in this instance, when I enable the course points, I want to say that you need 50 points to be able to access this course, but this course will also give 50 points of its own. So in total, once you've done both of those courses, you would end up with 100 points. And finally, what we'll do is for the advanced course, say that you require 100 points to access this one, and we don't have any progression from here, so I'll leave that awarded on completion blank. But you can see here that there's an infinite level of progression that you could add here. You could have, a lot of different series of difficulty on courses and a number of points that are released each, and once you complete each one. So now we've got that set up. If I switch over to my learner account now and try to just access the advanced course straight away, it's going to show me an error. It says, to take this course, you need at least 100 total points. You have 0 points. So let's see this working in practice. In theory, I can only access the beginner course here, which I can. So I'm just going to quickly run through this course and complete it. So we've completed that course now, and we should have been given 50 points, which then gives us access to be able to access this intermediate course. And now I've got 50 points, I can complete this one. So I've now completed the intermediate course. And now that I've completed both of those, I've accrued 100 points, which means that I can now access the advanced course. And now I can complete this one too. So it's a great feature that gives you a lot of control over how people progress through your courses if you've got multiple courses on your platform, and just make sure that people are doing things in the right order and that they have the right level of competence to be able to access courses that are given to them. We hope you liked this video. If you did, please give the video a like, and if you'd like to see more like this, please subscribe to the Training Spark YouTube channel.